Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bread loaf at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Precise measurements are key for a perfect loaf, so use a kitchen scale if you have one. Ensure your water is around 105 degrees Fahrenheit to properly activate the yeast, which is vital for a good rise. Now let's get our hands dirty. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour and salt. Then, gradually pour in the warm water and yeast mixture, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes. This process is crucial for developing the gluten, which gives your bread its structure and chewiness. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. This is the first proofing. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. This step helps create a finer crumb. Now, shape the dough into a neat loaf and carefully place it into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, ready for its final rest. For the second rise, cover your shaped loaf and let it rest for another 30 to 60 minutes, or until it looks noticeably puffy. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven is ready and the loaf has risen, bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. The bread is done when it's a beautiful golden brown and sounds hollow when you tap the bottom. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.